This is a good recipe to use up leftover prawn heads. We're going to cook Singapore fried Hokkien Mee, like what you get at the hawker centers. These are the prawn heads and shell from 1 kilogram of prawns, 5 chopped garlic, and 5 shallots. We have some thick bee hoon and yellow noodles. In terms of proportion, I like to have more bee hoon than noodles. This is 10 prawns, 10 crab sticks, and 1 fish cake cut into strips. We also need some taugeh and chives, which are not shown here. To make the prawn stock, fry the prawn heads and shell in high heat. Fry for at least 3 to 4 minutes until the oil is red. After about 3 to 4 minutes, push the prawn heads to one side. Add some oil and saute half the chopped garlic and all the shallots. Continue to fry for about 2 minutes. We must make sure that the prawn heads are fragrant before we add the liquid. Add water. If the prawn heads are fried well, the water will be red like what you see here. This is where all the flavors are going to come from. Transfer to a pot to boil. Add 1 big slice of ginger. I have underestimated the amount of stock we need in this recipe. I will cook in a bigger pot and fill the pot to the brim if I'm cooking this again. Boil for half an hour and add 1 teaspoon of dashi powder. If you do not have dashi powder, you can also use chicken cube. We start by scrambling 3 eggs. When the eggs are set, push them to one side of the wok and add the remaining chopped garlic. Fry until the garlic is fragrant. Add the yellow noodles. Spread out the noodles and let it fry on one side. Flip over and cook the other side. Do this for a few times. The noodles are now dry and some of the noodles are a bit charred. This is exactly what we want. We can now add the bihun. Loosen and mix the noodles. Add prawn stock. Looks like I need more prawn stock. While cooking, I have separately added some hot water to the prawn heads and boil for another 1 to 2 minutes to get more prawn stock. Add all the ingredients. Add taugeh. And add half the chives. Add more prawn stock until it almost covers the noodles. Cover and cook in high heat. Mix the noodles when it comes to a boil. Add salt to taste. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. The noodles can soak up the prawn stock very quickly. Add more stock if it is too dry. Add the remaining chives, cook for 30 seconds, and this is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.